1 minute.
Good luck, guys.
Terry, drop the hammer bag.
30 seconds.
Field 2, 10 seconds.
I'm not seeing all your bunkers, good? Big runner! 3 to
1 minute.
Hey, one more!
Seconds.
Hey! Vinny!
Hey, you got Anthony pulled the penalty on a guy that was shot by a dead player, so I don't know how you want to pull that. The guy that you threw a major on was shot. The guy shot a guy
Right.
after getting a major.
Major's on this
Anthony
guy.
saw that the guy was not coming out, so pulled the penalty on the guy that was shot by the guy that cheated.
Oh, okay.
So figure that out.
Well, the penalty I threw stops it because it eliminates the last
That's where
guy.
I'm going with it. So the two Mayhem players should be back in play.
Now, you're out. Your player over here that's out the wrist, that's going. Those are your last two guys, they get automatic points. Yeah. Your penalty doesn't either. Okay, fine, yep.
Tony.
What do you mean exactly? Right? Get back.
Yo, Tony. Tony.
Yes. Your guy was running down the Dorito side, got shot in the wrist. Kept playing. Major penalty. So that stopped anything that was happening over here. Pulled your last two guys, they get automatic points. They had a penalty because that guy was asking in my hand, and that left you the penalty on it. But your penalty precedes his penalty, which stopped the point. No, they get the point, but there's no penalty. Because there's still body shots. If your guy cheated, got shot in the wrist, I see the major, which eliminates your last two guys. When I throw it, we're eliminating the amount of what's going on. So do you start down? No, you start 5 on 5. 5 on 5. 5 on 5.
10! 3 seconds! 3 seconds!